$200 billion a year on fertilizer. Every morning you throw away nitrogen, calcium and potassium before you even leave the house. You've never actually needed to buy it, and the proof starts with your morning coffee. The average home gardener spends $50 to $200 every year on colorful plastic tubs of synthetic plant food. Globally, this massive chemical industry has swollen to a market value of over $200 billion annually. Yet the exact nutrients inside those expensive synthetic packages are currently sitting in household trash cans. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and calcium are routinely swept into garbage bags and hauled away to landfills. It is a quiet, expensive cycle of double spending, paying premium prices for packaged agricultural chemistry with one hand, while tossing the exact same vital raw materials into the bin with the other. We buy convenience, unaware that a complete, natural garden supply store is already operating right on our kitchen countertops. Spent coffee grounds offer a perfect starting point, carrying about 2% nitrogen by volume. While raw beans are highly acidic, the brewing process leaches out most soluble acids, leaving the spent grounds at a near-neutral pH. This mild profile makes them a safe, gentle top dressing for acid-tolerant favorites like blueberries, roses, and hydrangeas, provided they are applied in thin, regular layers rather than one heavy dump. Through a local master gardener network, suburban growers are putting this to the test, top dressing their shrubs with daily espresso remains. The nitrogen isn't delivered in a sudden chemical spike. It releases slowly as soil microbes break down the organic matter over several weeks. Soon, earthworms arrive, drawn to the decomposing grounds, naturally aerating the soil as they feed. It is a slow, living process that proves a daily coffee routine can quietly jumpstart the biology of an entire garden bed. Eggshells represent the patient, structural foundation of this zero-waste system. They consist of roughly 93% pure calcium carbonate, the exact same mineral found in agricultural limestone. Unlike quick-acting liquid feeds, this is a slow-release shield. Finely crushed shells require several weeks to break down in moist soil, gradually supplying the calcium that plants need to build strong, rigid cell walls. Without this structural support, crops literally collapse from within. In tomatoes, a lack of calcium manifests as blackened, sunken blossom end rot, while in lettuce, it causes the dry, withered edges of tip burn. A controlled agricultural trial demonstrated this protective power. Adding eggshell powder to calcium-deficient soil cut tomato blossom end rot to just 0.4%, compared to over 3% in untreated beds. It is not a quick cure, but a steady, preventative defense that fortifies plants from the ground up. If calcium builds the green architecture, potassium delivers the ultimate payoff: flowers, fruit, and abundant harvests. Banana peels are a powerhouse for this phase, containing up to 42% potassium within their mineral ash. This essential nutrient regulates water pressure inside plant cells, triggering robust blooms and swelling fruit. To deliver this energy where it counts, bury chopped peels 2 to 3 inches down, directly into the active root zone. Leaving them on the soil surface invites pests, but underground, soil life unlocks the potassium within weeks. The real-world results are striking. A controlled horticultural trial revealed that treating crops with banana peel amendments increased bell pepper yields by up to 22%, while strawberry plants saw a 12% increase in overall berry mass. For flowering houseplants, this simple burial technique coaxes out longer-lasting, more vibrant blooms, proving that kitchen waste can match the performance of store-bought fertilizers. Water used to rinse starch from kitchen rice is far more than simple irrigation. This cloudy liquid contains soluble nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but its true power lies in its organic carbon. With starch levels reaching 250 milligrams per liter, it acts as a direct fuel source for heterotrophic soil microbes. In a controlled pot experiment, plants watered periodically with 3-day fermented rice water showed a 12% increase in leaf chlorophyll and significantly greater early vigor. Rather than just feeding the plant, this simple rinse feeds the living soil food web itself, multiplying beneficial bacteria right at the root zone. Cooling unsalted vegetable cooking water preserves a mineral-rich liquid that returns the calcium, potassium, and magnesium leached out during boiling. Synthetic fertilizers replicate these identical nutrient functions artificially, but they do so through concentrated chemical salts. Over time, these synthetic inputs build up in the ground, raising soil electrical conductivity and dehydrating beneficial microorganisms. At the Meadow Hill Community Garden, replacing commercial fertilizers with kitchen inputs dropped soil salinity from 1.2 to 0.9 decisiemens per meter. This shift saved families $85, proving that soil health thrives on kitchen biology rather than packaged chemistry. Reclaiming your soil starts at the countertop. After all, your kitchen has been a garden supply store all along. Share your kitchen garden tips below.